If you're over 50 and looking for simple ways to earn extra income, the good news is you don't have to start with anything complicated. You don't need to be a tech expert, and you don't need to chase every shiny online business idea. Here are 5 simple side income ideas that can work well for people over 50. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product, service, or tool, and if someone buys through your link, you may earn a commission. This can be done with YouTube videos, blog posts, email newsletters, or simple review pages. Number 2, selling digital products. This could be a short guide, checklist, printable planner, template, or simple how-to report. Once you create it, you can sell it online over and over again. Number 3, simple online tasks. Some websites pay people to complete small online tasks like surveys, website testing, research, data entry, or giving feedback. This usually won't make you rich, but it can be a simple way to start learning how online income works without a big commitment. Number 4, freelance services. You can offer simple services like writing short articles, creating Canva graphics, proofreading, organizing files, or helping small businesses with basic online tasks. Number 5, creating helpful YouTube videos. You don't have to be on camera. You can make faceless videos using slides, stock footage, screen recordings, or voiceovers. The key is to pick one audience and solve simple problems for them. The best side income is not always the flashiest one. It's usually the one you can understand, start small, and keep doing consistently. If you're over 50 and want simple beginner-friendly income ideas without hype or confusing tech, subscribe to Simple Income After 50 for more practical tips.